Hey friends, how's it going? I hope y'all are having an awesome Christmas week or month, however long you're celebrating. Y'all, I just wanted to hop on and wish y'all a Merry Christmas and share an idea with you with one of our new designs. And y'all, I have had this is a metal chalkboard that I've had for quite a while, and we just had a new design available, and it looks great on here. Let me make sure we're on. Y'all let me know if you can hear me okay. And look, are y'all baking cookies right now? What are y'all doing? Oh my gosh. And listen, if you're a designer or a Perks member, you should have got an email with like a $10 design dollar that you can use starting today. Did y'all get that? I'm going to share this with the broadcast channel. We are still enjoying family and just doing all kinds of wild stuff. What have y'all been doing? I see y'all are hopping on. I can't wait to see what's going on for y'all this week. Woo! Hey, Christmas vacation might be the vacation that you need a vacation. Oh my goodness. Hey Janet, hey Teresa, Merry Christmas. Anyway, and I know I got some light glaring at me. Let me see if I can get my comment. There we go. Hey Ruby. Just attended church. Awesome, Cynthia. Anyway, this is the new design, and it is called Groovy Family. Y'all may remember we had a design similar. Let me move back so y'all can see. And look, today Locke said, "Why are you wearing that shirt under a shirt?" And I'm like, "Locke, this is like a shirt that's made to wear under a shirt." Oh, Merry Christmas, Sherry. Hey, Chris. You just finished making your tote bag. Awesome. And a couple other things. That's Chris. All right. Anyway, y'all, this is so pretty, and you can do it in multiple colors, but I'm just going to use bright white tonight. And look, we got some, I'm going to say, some easy baked cookies to make. We are not making any by scratch tonight, or whatever you call it, scratch. And look, I am gonna, if you have like on something that's not very fuzzy, you can totally fuzz your transfers. I know I'm crazy. Y'all let me know if you can hear me okay. Hey, Juanita. Anyway, this would look so pretty on a doormat. It'll look pretty on like a chalkboard about this size. And y'all, I'm not going to measure it. I'm going to go by those little metal things at the bottom. Jenny is upstairs making some egg salad. Y'all, she makes the best egg salad. And I think Stella's been eating boiled eggs. So I heard Jenny say, "I may have to fix you some more." Thanks for the stars, and thank you guys for sharing the live. So this is what it's going to look like. Like I said, this is beautiful in multiple colors. This is one of the new designs. We've got new Peanuts designs. We got new Everyday, and we've got new Valentine's. Merry Christmas, Betty. Hey, Corrine. Yeah, say hello to everybody. Let them know where you're watching from. And like I said, this is going to be a super fast project. But the main reason I want to hop on is to thank you guys for joining me live, for being awesome supporters of Refresh Restyle, our cutouts, our chalk couture. And I hope that you're having a wonderful Christmas. I know, isn't this pretty, Betty? And the key word tonight is new, N-E-W. And y'all, this is our paste. It is super thick. Y'all ever go to Dairy Queen and they do a blizzard and they turn it upside down? Well, you can do that with a paste. Now listen, you do have to use your paste, and if you're not using it, add distilled water and stir it to make sure that it stays creamy dreamy. Thanks for sprinkling. All right, y'all. And you know what? This would have been pretty in Dune or vanilla also. We have got our super end of the year sale, you know, lots of 85% off stuff. And then the designers and perks members got a little Christmas gifty of design dollars. And if you're a perks member, don't forget, you can combine it with your $20 designer dollars. So many great things right now. Hey from Kansas. And I'm saying hey from Christmas vacation. Oh my goodness. We've had a blast. And y'all, to be totally honest with you, we've already opened our gifts. Because we had some early leavers, you know, people that wasn't going to be able to stay till in the morning. But that's okay. Christmas is every day, right? And life is a gift. So open your gifts early if you want to. All right, let's see what we got here. Y'all may not believe this, but in 2018 when I saw somebody do this is what made me fall in love with chalk. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Let me put this over here so I don't get chalk everywhere. So this is the magic of a silkscreen transfer. And all of our designs, whether the small ones all the way up to the large ones, make the most beautiful, professional designs. And you can reuse them over and over, 12 to 14 times. And like this would be pretty on like just a wooden board that was stained. This is a metal chalkboard. And y'all, have you ever seen, they've got chalkboard paint like at Home Depot and those places. You could grab something and paint it. I mean, it could be something from Goodwill. But, you know, family means so much. And I'm enjoying being with mine for these, you know, the past week and then the upcoming weeks. It's so much fun. Mary, isn't it gorgeous? So pretty. And, you know, this came with like 4 magnets, so you could put little notes or whatever if you want on here. Yeah, type the word new, N-E-W, and I'll send you a link. It's all the stuff that's on sale. It's all the new stuff. You know, don't forget about all of our peanut stuff. We are the only silkscreen company that has the peanuts available, like where you could make shirts, you could put them on shoes, you can put them on trucker caps, whatever you like. So you can make your own Snoopy, peanuts. Did I say Snoopy? Well, Snoopy's part of them. But anyway, friends, I love you guys. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. I hope you are enjoying the season, whether you're, you know, by yourself enjoying your pets or whatever. I just hope that it's a wonderful time for you. And type new if you want the supplies. And I'm going to hop off here and I'm going to go see what's going on. Judy might have the XL ready. You know, I don't know what's going on. But we want to say Merry Christmas. We love you guys. And thank you so much for an awesome 2025. I'll be back before 2026. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you. And have a Merry Christmas. Love you guys. Bye now. Y'all can tell that's metal.